Exciting news! Kling AI, the video generation tool from China that so many AI fans have been buzzing about, is now available globally and totally free for now. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use it step by step. Check out the link in the description. Head over to Kling AI and sign up for an account. Once logged in, the top menu highlights the available features. You can generate images, videos, and a video editor is on the horizon. In this video, I'll focus on the video generation feature. Below, you can check out videos and images generated by other users in the gallery. To get started, click on AI videos. First, let's try the text-to-video feature. Enter a description of what you want to see in your video in the prompt box. If you don't come up with an idea, you can find some keywords for inspiration below. Click the refresh icon to discover even more ideas. If you select one of the keywords, a prompt will automatically appear in the prompt box. In the settings, you can choose if you want the AI to stick very close to your prompt or have more creative freedom. Simply move the slider to try it out. The generation mode cannot be changed at the time of recording this video. It's set to high performance by default. High performance mode means the generation time is pretty fast. However, the high quality feature, which takes a bit longer to generate your video, is launching soon. And in high performance mode, you can only create a 5-second video. Next, pick the aspect ratio. Additionally, you can add camera movement like zoom or pan. If you don't select a camera control, the AI will automatically apply one based on your prompt. You can also add a negative prompt. This includes things you don't want to see in your video. For example, humans with extra or missing limbs, or deformed body parts. Now you're all set. Go ahead and hit the generate button. And here's how it turned out. Now, let's bring an image to life. Select Image to Video. Click here to upload your image or drag and drop it from your device. I have already generated an image in Kling and will select it from my history. You can enter a prompt, but I will skip this option for now. The settings are the same as those for the text-to-video feature. When you're all set, hit Generate. And here it is. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy creating.